Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to you all for this press conference on the analysis of SSC April 2021 result. The result is prepared, which is based on the objective criterion. That's a policy document which we have developed in view of cancellation of SSC written examination. Now, all of us, you must be aware that it was a very hard time for all of us, and it was an unprecedented situation, and safety of candidates and the examination personnel was the paramount importance. And so by way of Circular 20, the board has cancelled the class 10th examination, which was supposed to be held from 13 May 2021 to 4th June 2021. This result is based on objective criterion developed by the board, that's a policy. Opportunity to appear in the board examination will be given to the candidates who are not satisfied with this result. All repeat or failure, the unsuccessful candidates in this examination will be given facility of ATKT, that is allowed to keep terms in class 11. There will be entrance examination for admission to science stream and all diploma courses under Directorate of Technical Education, which will be conducted by this board. As on today, 6,744 students have registered themselves for this entrance examination. For Goa board students, there is no fee, and for the CBSE or other state boards, we have charged the fee, and we have received about 174 applications from the other state boards. So total is 6,744. They have registered for examination, entrance examination. These are the aspirants for 11 science and some polytechnic or diploma courses. Now, through this scheme, how we have distributed the marks, you can see this table, that is formative 1 and formative. These are the internal tests, carries 50 marks. Term examination, unit test, or it is a periodical test, or preliminary, or year-end assessment. One, best performance will be awarded 20 marks, and class 9th, it is 10 marks out of 80. So also for practical, 40 marks for the internal test, 15 for the term or it is year-end, one of the best, and 10 marks were taken from class 9. And if it is a pre-vocational courses, for internal test there are 25 marks, 10 marks for the preliminary or the terminal examination, or it is a year-end, and 5 marks proportionately were taken from class 9. And this is how the marks were to be awarded to the candidate. These are all external components. Otherwise, board would have given them a written examination. And the entire team of the schools, headed by the principal or headed by the headmaster and a subject teacher, they have worked on this exercise, and they have submitted these marks, and accordingly we have prepared the result. You go to the next slide. This is the trend of the last 5 years result, where there was a written examination. You can see 2016 it is 90, 17 it is 91.57, 18 it is 91.27, 19 it is 92.47, and 2020 it is 92.69. You can see the graph also. And for this year, 2021, 23,967 students from the regular category appeared. This is the maximum enrollment of candidate in the history of the board. Of that, 23,900 passed in this examination from the regular category, giving us 99.72, which is the highest ever pass percentage in the history of the board. You can see the third highlight, that is also we are declaring the SSC results prior to the HSSC, almost after 2 decades. This was somewhere in 2001 we had declared the SSC result first. Now it is the SSC results that is being declared first. You can see the another feature, that is the number of the boys appeared for this examination is again on the higher side. This is 13,011 and girls are 10,956. Only 2 girls failed, giving you percentage of 99.98. Whereas out of the 67, so 65 boys, they are placed under needs improvement category. So passing percentage is 99.5. So 12,946 students, they passed. Now all repeater candidates, they are placed under ATKT. There were about 517 such students who applied to under exemption category. So all of them are placed under allowed to keep terms, so they can take the admission in 11 stream. Supplementary examinations will have to be answered by all these unsuccessful candidates, and this supplementary examination will be within their school itself, and the school will give them intimation of at least 10 days. So today we are declaring the result. So after 3 weeks, schools can plan the timetable for this supplementary examination and inform them that they will have the examination. This examination will be based on the sample papers. We will be issuing them the sample paper of those subjects, and based on that, the examination will be conducted at the school level. They will give them the marks, they will make a correction, and they will submit the marks to the board. Now the pattern of the question paper is in such a way that it can be in the online mode or it can be in the offline mode. So that is very much possible. Coming to this percentage, we have done one slide, one small, it's a small investigation how the students are getting into that percentage. You can see less than 33 means the students who have failed. So 32 and then below that. So 67 students, they have failed or it is needs improvement. Now 33 to 45, 2,231 students they have secured. 46 to 59, it is 7,001. 60 to 80, this is a little large number, it is 10,276. And 81 to 100, almost 18% or so, that is 4,392. This is at the state level. So thereby maintaining that normal curve. Now all these 67 students who have failed, they are either they have not done their assignment, or it is they were not attending the classes, or they have not withdrawn their form. That is how they could not succeed in the examination. But the good point is that all these 67 students, they are eligible for the supplementary examination and they can answer the examination in their own schools. Coming to taluka wise number of the candidates in this range, you can see Kepe, 11 students are placed under needs improvement category and it is out of 1,404. Sangem, none of the students failed, so it is 100% at Sangem out of 510. Salset, it is a maximum number of enrollment. You can see 5,085. 13 are placed under needs improvement category. Kankona, it is only 1 student under needs improvement category out of 736. Marmagova, out of 2,234, 4 are placed under needs improvement category. Pedne, it is 1,137. 1 is placed under needs improvement category. Bicholi, it is 1,000 out of 1,671. 3 are placed under needs improvement category. Bardes, out of 4,041. 12 are placed under needs improvement category. Sattari, out of 1,123, only 2 are placed under needs improvement category. Tiswadi, out of 2,871, 16 are placed under needs improvement category. Fonda, out of 2,740, it is 4 are placed under needs improvement category. And Dharbandada, small taluka, out of 415, no one has failed, so that is 100% result in that case. You can see those 518, so 43 are distinction you can say in Dharbandada, or 583 are distinction in Fonda taluka, and so on. Next slide. This is the taluka-wise enrollment of candidates and the results. You can see the second column. There are 323 aided schools funded by the government. There are 77 schools. You can see taluka-wise. So, Sange, Dharbandura, 100% result. Dharbandura is the lowest enrollment taluka. Then Kankona, it is 736, 99.9%. Pedne, it is 99.9%. Fonda, it is 99.9. Bicholi, it is 99.8. Sattari, it is again 99.8. Marmagaon, it is 99.8. And 99.7, two talukas. One is a Salset, biggest taluka, with maximum enrollment 5,085. Bardes, it is 4,041, so 99.7. And Tiswadi, it is 99.4. Enrollment is 2,871. And Kepe, it is 1,404. The result is 99.2. You can see in Sattari there are 14 government schools. Result is 99.8. And below that it is Bicholi, which is 11 government schools, 99.8. Next slide. This is National Skill Qualification Framework. This subject is the 7th subject. So the passing criteria is you can pass in any 6 subjects out of 7. So 3,197 they appeared as 7th subject NSQF. Number of the students passed is 3,189 and the result is 99.74. The salient feature of this NSQF is, you can see down, 47 students they passed because of this 7th subject. Maybe they might have failed in English or maybe maths or maybe science, but they... Yes, absolutely. And the beneficiaries of the schools are 90. So 90 secondary schools, they offered NSQF. 77, all 77 government schools were included in this. Beside this, 13 more secondary schools from aided, they were given this NSQF facility. Next slide. You can see these are the subjects, very interesting subjects. Automobile, IT, retails, then retails, beauty and wellness, all practical oriented courses these are. Apparel, construction, agriculture, paddy farmer, that is in bracket it is, then telecommunication, logistic, tourism and hospitality, electronic and hardware. This is second agriculture, this is solanaceous crop, then plumbing and healthcare. And all this are managed by Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan. They are funded by Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan. The teachers are being granted by RMSA. Next slide. And this is subject-wise passing percentage and the highest mark score. And we have also given you additional feature, that is a subject average. Coming to English, the first language, you can see 21 and compare it with 2020. 96.76, this was a written examination where the passing percentage was 96.76, whereas in this year it is 99.77. The highest score in 2020, last year it was 94, this year it is 99. And this is subject average, means all the marks, the average marks scored by all the candidates, this is all 23,967. So almost 57 or 58% they have scored. Otherwise, and that may be compensated with some highest marks or maybe lower marks. So that's the average. Second language is a Hindi, which is again a compulsory. You can see the pass percentage. Last year it is 98.64. This year it is 99.86. The highest score last year it was 97. This year it is 100. And they have scored quite a good average, that is 64.9. Third language it is Marathi, 98.49 passed last year. This time it is slightly increased, 99.84. Then the highest score it was 97. And this year it is 100%. Average score is also quite better, that is 62.4. Konkani, which is a third language, the passing percentage, last year it was 99.04. This year it is 99.9. Highest last year it was 98. This time it is again 100. this is pass percentage. The average percentage is also quite good. This is 63.4. Urdu third language, last year 97.56 was the pass percentage. This time everybody passes. Highest score last year it was 96. This year also it is 96. And average score is also quite good, that is 66.7. Then Sanskrit third language, last year it was 100% result. This year also it is 100% result. Additional feature is 98 was the last time's highest score, and this time it is 100%. And see the average here, it is 83.8. That is the best average among all these subjects. That means they have scored quite a good in Sanskrit third language. Kannada third language, the passing percentage last year it was 98.78. This year it is 100%. Highest score it was 81. This time it is 88. The average is 48.8. Compared to the others it is low. Arabic third language, 100% last year. This time also 100% pass. 99 was the highest score. This time also it is 99. Average is also quite good, that is 68.8. French third language, this is 99.61 was the passing percentage last year. This time it is 10%. Last year the highest score was 97. This time it is 98. And average, quite good, this is 71.3. Portuguese third language, this is 9.65. This was last year's passing percentage. This time it is 10%. Highest scores last year it was 99. This time it is 100. And again average quite good, that is 70.9. Now this time, first time we have introduced this mathematics level 2, where it's not only because that subject is difficult and therefore the people were, or the students were opting for that. That is only those who do not want to pursue mathematics at their higher level, maybe 11th standard they want to continue in languages or some other without maths, then this was offered to them as level 2. If you look at it, the pass percentage it is 99.5 and 10% they have passed, but see the average is 45.5. Whereas math level 1, that is a regular mathematics, 95.18% passed last year. This time it is 99.93. Last year it was 10% was the top score. This time also it is 10% is the top score. Here the students, they have the subject average is quite good, that is 63.5. Coming to the science, last year the pass percentage was 94.1. This time it is 99.74. Highest score was 100 last year, and so also this year also it is 100. But the average is 40.4. Social science, history and geography, it is 96.38 passed last year, 99.81 this year, and 100 is the score last year, so also this year. But average is also good, that is 61.4. Next slide. And this private candidate, those are the candidates who directly appear for the 10th standard. ITI candidates are those candidates who did not complete their 10th certificate. They go 3 years diploma course and they take 2 subjects, and if they clear those 2 languages, then they are given the equivalency certificate. So this private candidate and ITI candidate will have to answer board examination as and when the condition is normalized to conduct the examination. We will give them 10 days intimation time before the commencement of examination. There is an entrance examination for 11th science stream and diploma courses under Director of Technical Education. Again, we will intimate them 10 days prior to the commencement of examination. Now, there are applications, there are requests which are coming from the candidates of last year's 2020 or maybe prior to that. Some, they are interested in taking up the diploma courses. So in that cases, they will have to answer the board examination. This has been also announced by the Director of Technical Education. So they will have to answer this entrance examination. Yeah. And we sincerely thank Honorable Chief Minister and Minister for Education, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, Chief Secretary, Advocate General, Government of Goa, Secretary Education, Director of Education, Collector of North, South, Director General of Police, Superintendent of Police, North South, Director of Health Services for their support for taking up this entire exercise. We also sincerely express our sincere gratitude to the President of Headmaster Forums, all headmasters of secondary school in developing this criteria, the PTAs of all schools, teachers. There were Taluka coordinators who were taking the part in that webinars and training all the heads, the conductors, observers who had taken initially the task, the vigilance committee, and the management of all secondary schools for their relentless effort. The DGP for providing the police security force for our confidential materials which were placed, and then it was brought in view of the cancellation of the result, and Director of Education for his support in this entire exercise. And we can't forget you all people, the electronic and the print media, for your support, for your cooperation in giving the wide coverage in order to reach to every nook and corner pertaining to the examination related matters. And thank you. Thank you. ते आम्ही पळोवंक ना, आय हॅव नॉट सीन, पूण बहुतेक करून 67 आसा न्ही, म्हणजे थोडी कडेन तो रिजल्ट कमी आसतलो. सो मे बी 99.9, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वन दे वील हॅव द स्कोर एज 99.9 किंवा 8 असो आसतलो. एक दोन 67 भुरगे न्ही ते, सो दे हॅव बीन सगळे कडेन ते स्प्रेड आसात ते. तातूंतले गव्हर्मेंटाचे एक जवळ जवळ 6 भुरगे कितें तरी दे हॅव फेल्ड. फक्त टू बी स्पेसिफिक, ओनली 2 गर्ल्स they have failed in this entire enrollment. Sports marks कशें जालें की स्पोर्ट्स मार्क्स ह्या फावटी केले ना, कित्याक एक्टिविटी जालेत ना तांचे, सो ते स्पोर्ट्स मार्क्स आमकां आयले ना. सगळे भुरगे उलय दिवंक ना. ते कितें जालें मागीर तो थोड्यांनी फॉर्म भरलो आनी मागीर दे डीड नॉट अपियर ओन्ली. थोड्यांचे कशें जालें की ते तांच्यांनी एक्सरसायजीस म्हणजे टेस्टी घेवकूच ना, सो तांचे आयला आमचे कडेन, पूण तांची टेस्टी ना किंवा प्रिलिमिक तुझे इंटरनल टेस्टिंग मार्क्स ना, सो दॅट कुड नॉट मेक अप टू 33%. ना तशें ना. ती आम्ही स्कुलाक सांगला आफ्टर 3 weeks, आत्तापासून 3 weeksनी, मे बी इन द आफ्टर मे बी 5th of August किंवा 10th of August, schools we will tomorrow itself we will send them the circular and sample papers are all they are ready. So तो कसो पेपर आसूंक जाय which will suit them for online किंवा offline मोडाक. So after 5th of August the schools will have their own schedule and they will conduct the examination. कित्याक एक दोन थोडे भुरगे आतां प्रत्येक स्कुलांनी 10-12 स्कूल आसा. हाय दोन्ही आमच्याकडे 517 एटीकेटी स्टुडंट्स म्हणजे 517 रिपीटर कॅन्डिडेट आसा. ते रिपीटर कॅन्डिडेट प्लस दीस 67 असे हे सगळ्या 400 स्कूल्स आमची सगळी आसा. सो इन दीस 400 स्कूल दे आर स्प्रेड आउट. थोडे कडेन 10 भुरगे आसतात, थोडे कडेन काय आसचेय ना, असे ते भुरगे त्या एग्जामीक दितले त्यांच्या स्कुलांनी. येस आम्ही तांकां सांगला की यू इंटिमेट अस विदिन 5 days, within week's time you intimate us, undertaking that this result will be forfeited and the result that is board examination that will prevail. Improvement exam will be different from supplementary exam. This is only, we are talking only about a supplementary exam. कितें जाल्यार मागीर बोर्ड ऑनलायन जी ऑफलायन जी एग्जाम आसली न्ही ती घेता, ती तांच्या बरोबर बोर्ड आतां जशी कंडिशन ही नॉर्मलायज जाली तशी मागीर बोर्ड एक अनाउन्स करतलो विथ इंटिमेशन ऑफ 10 आनी ताच्या उपरांत बोर्ड आपलो शेड्यूल तयार करतलो केन्ना एग्जाम घेवप. कित्याक आमचे कडेन तशे 12वीचे ते भुरगे आसात. इट वील बी ऑफलायन. वी आर ट्रायंग फॉर ऑफलायन. 12वीचो बेगिनाच जातलो. होपफुली वी आर ट्रायंग टू डिक्लेअर इन दीस वीक इटसेल्फ. Any more questions?
So last year percentage was around 92%.
92.6, 92.72. 92.7. No, it all depends. कशें आसा हे इंटरनल मार्क्स म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल नाव दॅट तांच्यांनी इंटरनल टेस्टी घेतले आसतले. सो इंटरनल टेस्टी घेतलेले आसा थंय तांचो कसो आसा दे कॅन लिमिटेड पोर्शन एंड दे कॅन फोकस ऑन इट. सो म्हणून तांचो जो स्कोर आसा न्ही त्या स्कोराक लागून ते मेनी ऑफ देम दे हॅव पास्ड. पण आमी कितें केल्लें ते द हिस्टॉरिकल परफॉर्मन्स दिल्लो तांचो म्हणजे तुमच्या फाटल्या एक 3 वर्साचो स्कोर कसो आसा त्या स्कोरा प्रमाणे तुमची जी एवरेज आसा ती मेंटेन सब्जेक्ट एवरेज तुम्ही मेंटेन करूंक जाय. वी डीड नॉट से बाबा तुम्ही त्या रेंजीन बसोवकच जाय म्हणजे ह्या वर्सा कितें आसा की 100 घेणारे भुरगे 5 आसतले त्या रेफरन्स इयराक कदाचित 2 असले जाल्यार तुम्ही वी वर लिबरल इन दॅट केस बट दे वर सपोज टू मेंटेन दॅट सब्जेक्ट एवरेज जे आमी तुमकां लास्ट कॉलमान दाखयल्या सब्जेक्ट एवरेज ताजेर. आणि मॅक्सिमम न्ही ऑल स्कूल्स दे हॅव रिटेन दॅट सब्जेक्ट एवरेज and it's a good exercise म्हणजे it is a well thought आणि with research this moderation has been done. तुमकां by 5:30 जालो न्ही जातलो आणि थोड्या मिनटान जातलो ते सेम आणि एक 2-3 मिनटांनी जातलो तो 5:30 URL will be open आता जातलो 2-3 मिनटांनी. पण आमी म्हणल्यार पयलीं ना रोखडोच जातलो आमी म्हणल्यार हे पयलीं सोंपोवया तुमकां म्हणल्यार च्या बी दिवया आनी मागीर नाही कितें जाता ती सगळी न्ही सगळी ती ट्रॅफिक एकदम जाम जाता थोडी आतां स्कुला पर्यंत एक म्हणजे 17 तारखेक आमी फूल रिजल्ट शीट धाडटले. मागीर थोड्यांची कशें आसता जाणा थोड्यांची तांची नांवां चुकयल्लीं आसता ते तांचे ते रिक्वेस्ट येता म्हणून आमी एक थोडो टायम घेतला एक 10 दिसांनी पर्यंत स्कुलां कडेन रिपोर्ट कार्ड पावतले. म्हणजे कोणाची जर क्वेरी आसात विदीन दोज 10 days दे हॅव टू इंटिमेट पळय आतां तांकां ती मार्कशिटांच्या हेजेर मेळटली वेबसायटीचेर मेळटली वेबसायटीचेर आमच्या मेळटली त्या हेजेर दिला ते आमी युआरएलचेर तांणी पळोवप तांचे बाबा नांव सारकें आसा काय कितें आसा तें आनी ताचो डिस्क्रिपन्सी दे कॅन इंटिमेट टू द स्कूल्स आनी अकॉर्डिंगली वी वील टेक एक्शन. सो फायनल जो प्रिंट येतलो तो परत चेंज करपाची गरज ना.